Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Cash App statements and privacy controls, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner. Scroll down and select Documents. Here, you will find your account statements. To back up your statements, tap on the statement you wish to save. This will open the statement for viewing. Look for the share icon, usually located at the top right corner. Tap on the share icon. You will see options to send your statement via email or other apps. Choose the option that best suits your needs, such as email. If you select email, enter your email address and send the statement. Now, let's look at privacy controls. Go back to the main screen and tap the profile icon again. Scroll down to find Privacy and Security. In this section, you will see various privacy options. Review each setting carefully. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Consider adjusting your privacy settings based on your preferences. Always keep your app updated for the latest security features. After checking your privacy settings, exit the menu. You have now successfully backed up your Cash App statements and managed your privacy controls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.